Welcome back, everyone. If you've ever wanted to offer classes right from your Wix website, maybe yoga sessions, language lessons, or workshops, and make it super easy for your clients to book a spot online, you're in precisely the right place. Today's tutorial will walk you step by step through setting up classes using Wix bookings. By the end, you'll be able to manage your class schedule, customize all the important details, and start accepting bookings in just a few clicks. Let's dive right in and get things set up. First, head over to the Wix App Market. This is essentially the toolbox for extending your site's features, and it's your gateway to all kinds of useful apps. In the search bar, type Wix Bookings. This is the app that will power your scheduling system. Once you see Wix Bookings pop up, go ahead and add it to your site. Don't worry if this part takes a minute. Wix usually guides you smoothly through the installation. After you've installed Wix Bookings, you'll notice a new dashboard and a Manage Service button. Click on that. This is where you control all your bookable services. Think of it as your mission control for appointments, workshops, or classes. For right now, you'll want to add a new service, so just look for the Add New Service option. Here's an important step. Out of all the kinds of services Wix Booking supports, you want to select classes. Classes are ideal when you want to allow multiple participants for the same session, like a group painting lesson or a fitness boot camp. Alternatively, if you want to try something different, Wix gives you the option to start from scratch. This lets you build your own service type if none of the presets quite fit what you want to offer. Don't be afraid to click around. Wix gives you a lot of freedom to customize, and you really can pick whatever suits your needs. Once you're inside the setup panel, you'll see a list of customizable fields. These are where you set the essentials, and each one has its own importance. Let's break those down. First, you'll see service type. Make sure it says class. This helps Wix understand you'll have multiple people signing up at once. Next, give your class a name that's both descriptive and appealing, something that'll catch people's attention when they're browsing your site. Now for duration. Enter how long each class lasts, whether it's a 30-minute express session or a 2-hour workshop. Being precise here helps customers know what to expect and keeps your schedule realistic. Setting your buffer time is also crucial. It gives you a break between classes, letting you tidy up, prep materials, or simply recharge. Don't skip this, especially if you plan to run classes back-to-back. Moving on to price and payment. Set up the price per session. You can choose whether people pay once for a whole course or per individual class. There's also the option to add add-ons, extra features your clients can book, like renting supplies or booking a private chat after the main class. Offering these increases your flexibility and could boost your earnings. Specify your locations. If your class is online, select the relevant option, or add a physical address if it's in person. Assign staff too. This is great if you have multiple instructors, so clients know who they'll be learning from. You can even allocate specific resources and rooms, making sure there's never a mix-up with space or materials. Images are next, and they really help bring your class listing to life. Upload bright, clear photos, maybe a shot of your studio, a previous class in action, or something that represents what you'll be teaching. Finally, look over the booking preferences. Here, you control how far in advance people can book, how many seats are available, and more. Take a moment here to read each option and set them up so they match your plans. Once everything looks good, click Save. That's it. Your class is now live and bookable on your website. If something isn't quite right, you can always come back and adjust. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you have any questions about Wix bookings or want ideas for class setup, drop your thoughts in the comments below. I always love hearing from you. If you enjoyed this video or learned something new, give it a like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Until next time, happy teaching and good luck with your bookings.